A Key Dimension production with Erykah Monique. Thanks for joining me today. The True Human Food. The main source is a book called Drugs Masquerading as Foods by Suzar. Today I'm going to prove to you that you, human, are a fruit eater. Humans are biologically fruit eaters. Yes, I will prove it today. Humans have long stomachs, long intestines. Anatomically and physiologically, the human is a fruit eater. Fruit takes the least amount of energy to digest and gives the body the most in return. The digestive system and the teeth of humans correspond in almost every detail with the teeth of gorillas and other fruit-eating animals like monkeys, apes, lemurs, chimps, orangutans, and gibbons. We humans tend to confuse because we think we can do anything. We even have some people who try to feed their carnivorous animals vegetables. Like other frugivores, humans have alkaline saliva, which promotes carbohydrate digestion of fruit and starts the neutralizing acids in fruit. These are the teeth of carnivores. Saliva of meat-eating animals is extremely acidic to digest concentrated protein and dissolve flesh with almost no chewing. We get indigestion if we don't chew our food properly. We are not herbivores or veggie or grass eaters. Grass eaters, they feed on grass, of course, and vegetation, like cattle, horses, zebras, deers, goats, and rabbits. Usually they have 4 stomachs. We have 1. They have extra long intestines. They have grinding teeth. The long intestines are basically, as the food travels down, they grab all the nutrients they need. It stays in the system longer. We are not graminivores, like mainly birds. They feed on grains. Birds and rats, they have numerous starch-splitting enzymes. We humans, we have 1. Beans, corn, wheat, these are grains. This is a bird eating grains, and all of this we would have to cook, boil in order to eat. We are not carnivores or meat and flesh bone eaters. Flesh eaters, they feed on flesh, blood and bones, like tigers, lions, dogs, wolves, and jackals. They have rasping tongues to tear flesh from bone. Their tongue is scratchy. Their hydraulic acid in the stomach is 100 times stronger and concentrated than our human hydrochloric acid, which means meat sits in the gut and it rots and putrefies. And we still got this confused. A meat eater has short guts. Humans, we have long guts, which means if we eat meat, it sits for a long time. Cows, 4 stomachs, we have 1 stomach. Goats also 4 stomachs. Most grass eaters have 4 stomachs. We are naturally fruitarians, which eat fruit, seeds, like strawberries. We feed on fruits and their seeds and the nuts from trees, like almonds. We have a smooth tongue and teeth, and our saliva is alkaline. We have 1 stomach and a long, long intestine. Sapodilly, cherries, sugar apple, avocado, sea grape, oranges, ganap, strawberries, mango, grapes, coconuts. This is humans' natural food. cocoa plum, pomegranate, blueberries, mango again. Doesn't that look good? The food that are naturally right for humans to eat have great appeal in their natural state to all our senses. They look beautiful, they smell good, feel good, they taste delicious, and require little or no preparation. The foods humans are not supposed to eat do not have natural appeal to our senses. They have a repelling, bitter, or disagreeable taste, odor, appearance. This would keep us from eating them in their natural state. Great Mother's way of protecting us, keeping harmful things out of our bodies, and we still disregard this. Yeah. What is that? What is that? In the kitchen. If we have to put food through extensive preparation, drastically altering its natural state just to make it edible, then that food is not our natural food. It's not meant for us to eat. And no, we have not evolved to eat meat. We still have one stomach. We still have a long intestine. Our saliva is still alkaline. This is truly Hell's Kitchen. Grains and beans have to be cooked and seasoned. Meat animals have to be killed, skinned, defeathered, dismembered, cooked, and seasoned. Fruits only have to be picked. Grains are responsible for nearly all of man's diseases, for wheat, barley, oats, and rye are no more a part of his food than oranges the food of the cow. Fruit, the food which humans are biologically adapted, is relished in its natural, raw, ripe state like no other food in nature. Man's food consists of the fruit and nuts of the tree. They are beautifully wrapped and hung on trees where the common herd cannot get them. Man is given hands to remove this food and its wrapping and eat to his content with perfect health. Raw fruit diets supplies every want of the human body. It produces more energy and endurance and is more easily assimilated and is absolutely free from any dangerous matter aside from human hands and their pesticides, of course. Fruit is the best and richest part of the tree, plant. Beautiful and colorful like the flower they develop from. Has the highest concentration nutrients. There are more varieties, 300 edible fruit. Fruit are the only food karma-free. Most fruit grow in the higher atmosphere. Most animal food is at the bottom. You know, some people may say you can't gain weight or sustain weight eating fruit. Look at the gorillas. They only eat fruit. Maybe a little insect. Most monkeys eat fruit. They're pretty muscular and strong. I'd say also, look at cows. Look at hippos. All they eat is grass. Look how quote-unquote fat hippos are. Okay? Look at the bison. Look at the buffalo. They eat grass. Look at the muscle. Look at horses. They eat grass. Only grass. Look at the muscle formation of a horse. We wonder why we're sick. We wonder why we're dying. And we're searching for a cure. The cure is fruit. Eat the food that you are biologically adapted for, and all of your diseases will go away. We wonder why we're sick. We wonder why we're dying, and we're searching for a cure. The cure is fruit. Eat the food that you are biologically adapted for, and all of your diseases will go away.